How to fix this experience unavailable due to your account settings error in your Roblox. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix this error. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Roblox, and from here you have to click on these three dots that is in the bottom right corner. And from here you have to scroll down and go into your phone settings. Now once you're in, from here you have to go in the parental control, and you have to make sure that in the parental control you are able to disable this. You have to simply disable this parent pin, and you have to enter the pin that is attached to your account, and you have to simply unlock it, and you have to add your account pin that is required. And after that you just have to go back and go in your app store or the play store that you are currently using, and simply search for your Roblox. Now you have to scroll down and make sure that your Roblox application is updated, and if it is not you have to update it. And after updating it you just have to go back and restart your Roblox application, and you are able to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.